You feel afraid while speaking English, especially if you're a beginner. You feel anxious, you feel anxiety, and at the same time, when it comes to speaking, your words are not coming out of your mouth, and your whole body got freeze. You're feeling really nervous, you're sweating. So you don't have to worry because this is not something a big issue. It's a normal thing, and you need to understand that there is always a fear of unknown, a thing that you never tried before. If you're going to try something new, your mind will get confused and also create some kind of anxiety that I don't know how this is going to happen, I would be able to do it or not. So that's why you feel that fear. So you don't have to worry if you're feeling nervous. It's okay. Watch the video till the end. I'm gonna eliminate all the fears regarding to the spoken English, so you will be in the better state of mind and you will definitely understand the process. See, we are not native speaker. We are trying to learn new language. We are trying to speak new words, right? So it need a practice. It will take time. It's not going to happen overnight. You need to understand that. And it will come with the practice, because initially if you are a beginner, if you're going to speak English, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. And you need to admit that. You don't have to be worried about that. You should not feel embarrassed about it, because at least you're trying. Because there are a lot of people who wants to learn English but they are not even trying because they have a fear of unknown. At least you having a courage, you are trying to do that. That's why you're watching this video. And in this video, you should watch this video till the end so you won't miss any point. First of all, you need to understand that if you are a beginner, you do not have to speak a lot. You need to understand that. You have to indulge yourself in the environment where a lot of people are speaking in the same language, and you just have to listen initially. Just observe that, right? You can use some little words, little phrases. If somebody's been talking about something, you can say, okay, I understand, I got your point. You can just nod it. And after that, you will realize that you are getting a confidence to be in that environment, because that is really important. You have to feel uncomfortable sometime, right? It's not gonna happen you will be very comfortable there. No, you will be uncomfortable because you're gonna judge yourself, you're gonna compare yourself. But you need to understand that the person who's been speaking fluently, it didn't happen overnight. If you see their journey, if you ask about their experiences, they're gonna tell you exactly the same thing. That it didn't happen overnight. It took a time, it's a process. It's a journey, right? So you have started your journey. So after that, you can start speaking small sentences, right? When you will speak small sentences, you will be able to speak more, and then you will get the confidence. And you also need to work on your vocabulary. Try to read as much books you can read in English. Watch English programs, English movies, English series, and also read loudly. So you can also learn the pronunciation, you can learn the art of conversation, right? And these things really definitely gonna help you. And in the end, you will realize that it's not that difficult, it's a process. So it will take time. If somebody has been promising you they're gonna make you a fluent speaker in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, do not fall in that trap, because things doesn't work like that. If you are really sincere about it, if you really want to speak English and you want to feel confident, it's a process. It all required your practice and patience. If you're willing to do that, nothing is impossible. And you will realize that after some, even you try now, and see after yourself after 1 month, your confidence will raise, then you have to keep growing, you have to keep moving, and you have to keep learning, and that will change everything. And you will be the fluent and confident speaker. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share with your other friends who wants to improve their English speaking abilities. So see you in another video. Till the time, take care of yourself.